Hello everyone, Leigh here from Martinuzzi Property Group with another weekly real estate market update. Hope you're having a great week. Guys, this week in our newsletter, we are sending out our suburb reports for all the local suburbs in our area here. So make sure you're on our mailing list if you'd like a bit of an update as to what's going on in your suburb. You can subscribe to our newsletter, which goes out once a week, and that's just following our website link below. We've also sent out our quarterly market newsletter last week, full of information there, guys. So pick up a copy of that. They'll be going out again this week. We did send them out last week as well. So again, if you're interested, make sure you're on our mailing list and you'll get copies of those as well. Definitely seeing a slowing pace in the property market right now. The last couple of weeks is definitely evident of that. We've seen a very significant drop in buyer inquiry and activity in the local marketplace here. Could be partly to do with the winter market. Things typically slow, and particularly in our southern suburbs, things slow down there, and that has a flow-on effect to what we experience up here as well. And school holidays, which are now over as well. So I'm fairly positive that we will see a slight rebound in buyer activity over the next few weeks, but it may not be what we've been used to. With property selling in sort of a week or two, things are being pushed out a little bit now to maybe 3 or 4 weeks. Still good offers coming in, and there still are active buyers that are willing to make a good offer on a property if it's right for them. But unlike last year, that lack of urgency is certainly going. There is no more urgency in the buyers. They're happy to wait and see what happens over the next 6 to 12 months. And I think everyone's question at the moment is what will happen over the next 6 to 12 months? Are we seeing a bit of slowing pace in the market right now with hope that it'll rebound in the spring market, which typically does happen? Or do we think that the property prices will continue to flatten or if not decline as the RBA continues to raise the cash rates, having an effect on the interest rates, mortgage repayments, and borrowing capacity for those new buyers coming into the market? The RBA is talking about another cash rate increase for the rest of the year every month. So we predicted it might go up to about 2.5% by the end of the year, which can be fairly significant with the added costs of fuel and groceries and things like that as well for many buyers. So it is raising a bit of concern. But what we normally see in the property market when these times do happen, when the interest rates do go up, it usually takes a few months for people to get used to, I guess, the new normal of how things are. So we have to let go of what was last year and see what's happening in the future. It I think will be a fairly confident market. Yes, prices will flatten off, but with the buyer demand from southern markets coming up here to the sunny coast, I think we can still expect for good properties presented well to be achieving some good results in a fairly short amount of time. So I think there's a lot of positive things ahead, but it may not be the booming market that we've just come out of over the last 18 months. Guys, again, full market report there in this week's newsletter, so make sure you subscribe there. If there is anything we can help you with at the moment, let us know. We've got a bit of a detail as to what the property prices are doing across the country this week as well, so make sure you check that out in this week's blog. Guys, anything we can help you with, give us a call. Leigh from Martinuzzi Property Group. We'll talk soon.